I'm here today in the International Yoga Day, and it's wonderful to be fit in mind, body, and soul, which is what yoga is all about.
The fitness is a must in today's conditions. That is the least we can do to avoid the effect of allopathy and its side effects on our health.
I think we owe it to ourselves. We've been blessed with such a good life. We owe it to ourselves to be healthy, to take care of ourselves. So it's very important how we feed our body, what we put inside our body. I think that's what defines us, that's what makes us what we are. Very important to eat the right things.
You know how these vegetables and fruits, they've been using carbide to ripen them, and it's really unhealthy. So
Nowadays, what is happening is we have all the food with pesticides, and that is very harmful. The main disadvantage of having this food is it causes cancer.
I mean, these days we are, utilized more of, non-organic food and example like, mango, which is, ripe from, carbide, etc. So we should prefer more of, organic food rather than, going, in an unnatural way.
The mind and soul part, of course, is taking part with the good exercises, and the body part, I think it helps to eat healthy food. Organic food being one of the options.
Organic foods that have been, free of pesticides and chemicals. I think it's very, very important to feed the right things and to take care of our body, to nourish our body, breath and mind.
We should become healthy naturally. And one of the ways to keep it, to have the organic foods, which is chemical free.
So we should always have organic food. We should try to cultivate our own organic food. If not, then we should go and buy organic.
organic food for quite some time now, last couple of months, and I definitely see that there's no guilt feeling basically. It's really good, and we love it. We're enjoying the food now. We don't feel guilty taking raw carrot juice or spinach juice. It's really wonderful.
So be fit, be healthy, be happy, and try organic food too.
So this is about organic food as well as fit living. Fit living is for FitZop, and then organic food, Organic Express is delivering right now in Hyderabad.
Be original, be organic.
Switch to organic. It is not better, it is best.
Stay healthy, stay organic.
Eat organic, be dynamic.
We support organic farmers.
It was an awesome day, 21st of June at Gachibowli Stadium. So today is the first International Yoga Day. Of course, with the help of FitZop and Art of Living, we could do a massive event today. We had 1200 plus footfall. Grofers was the title sponsored along with the Organic Express. Okay, the Organic Express has extended a warm welcome. They have given a fruit basket to all the volunteers, whoever has participated here. We gave a goodie bag with a water bottle with a papaya, and anybody who has participated in downloading the app and ordering some fresh fruits and vegetables along with the coupon code, we've given them a coffee mug as well. So over to Pradeep.
Yeah, thanks Hemant. We had a good time educating, almost 1200 people about organic lifestyle and importance of switching to organic away from chemically grown food and etc. And Grofers has been a great partner for us in this event. So the way we are looking forward is we want everyone in the city to switch to a healthy lifestyle, get organic vegetables and fruits available to them at any point of time within 90 minutes time frame. And that's where Grofers is going to help run the deliveries. And
Today we've seen all the big retailers coming to the market where the small retailers are getting out of business and all. So we will tie up with the local retailers, take them to the end consumer. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.